Oh, hey, YouTube. It's exciting TV right here. Preserving some rye flour using my vacuum sealer that I got for my birthday. Oh, look at that. It's all done. Yep. I got this handy vacuum sealer for my birthday, and this rye flour I've been using in my sourdough starter. Yep. So I've had that sourdough starter for about 2 weeks, and today I'm going to be baking my first loaf ever. It's exciting. So today we're going to cook a turkey, and if you remember the last time we tried to cook a turkey, we exploded a Pyrex, and then we ordered this nice cast iron pan. So that's part of what we're doing today. There's that turkey, and then we're going to christen the new pan. All right, there it is. It's all ready. Now we just got to get to the store and get a couple other things for what we're doing today, and then we will get ready to cook it.
No.
Those are canned foods we need to eat.
I know. It's the fire juice right here. That's some cooking oil and stuff. Let's see if I get my fire going. It's a lot right here. I'm gonna do the whole thing.
Okay, Eli's hella excited. The kitchen table's a mess as usual, but it's a lot of projects on there. So if you've been following along on Instagram, you know that I have a sourdough starter, and I mentioned it a little bit earlier, but here's my dough. So this has been sitting for about 24 hours, and now we're going to move on to the next step. And I'm really happy that it rose because I wasn't sure yesterday, and it's been kind of chilly, but it looks really good. So now we're going to go to the next step. All right, so here's that dough turned out. You can see a lot of layers and bubbles and all kinds of good stuff. And so now it just says to do this, to degas it, and then we're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. So I'm following a recipe from Everything Sourdough. I've been following her from the starter till now, so that's what I'm doing. All right, so there's our fire right there, and then over here we have a turkey. Ooh. So it's an overcast day today. There's a storm moving in that's going to be here for like 5 days or something. I hear Brandon and Shelby. They're down there in the shed. So let's go see what they're doing.
Look, it got bigger.
Where's the fire?
Right here.
There's no fire.
Yeah, it's in a containment fire. I'm getting it nice and warm in here because I'm about to drop motor in. So.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I just got to drive it a couple hours away to go get it.
No,
Like that. Now it might rain, so I want to have a fire in here. So if I get kicked out up there where we're cooking, I'll have a place to go. So,
cool.
yeah.
All right, so we let it rest, and then now I shaped it into this, and then I don't have any fancy equipment, so I'm just using this bowl, and then we're gonna let it rest for just a few hours in the refrigerator. It says up to 24, and let's see, it's 11:45 right now, so I'll probably let it go for 2 or 3 hours, and then we will bake it. Hey, what do you think? You live in Southern California or something? You skateboarding dog? Huh. We gotta check on the turkey now.
Is it good? It's done in 1 hour?
Holy. It's not exploded.
Yeah.
It's boiling. You know what? We need a little more water.
Leeches.
Leeches?
Look at those 2 big old leeches on it.
Stop it. Look. Oh, hi. What do you think? It's looking good. It's gonna need a little more water soon. Well, I'm really glad we got the cast iron though.
Yeah, it's a peace of mind. This barbecue's become our bird cooker. That's what it is. It's our bird cooking machine. Man.
Yeah.
Eli, get another one. Not that kind.
All right, we're making some wontons because Shelby wanted some and it sounded really good. So these are spicy wontons. with cilantro, green onions, jalapeno, and then Shelby's over there with just plain cream cheese and mozzarella cheese and some spices. Yummy! She's happy. Woo! The storm is coming in. And we're gonna run the well because, well, we don't want to do it tomorrow when it's storming worse. If you're new here, you should know that we're off grid. That should be a no-brainer. But this is how we do our water. So this is our well pump and our generator. And we're gonna pump water from that well up to a holding tank, which you can't see, up on top of that hill. And then it's gravity fed down to the house. Exciting stuff. Alright, so now Brandon's going to turn it on and you'll hear it start pumping. That's the water pump plug. There we go. Now water is pumping up to the holding tank. Up there. Success! Alright. My hair looks crazy. So, the weather's getting really bad. So, I was going to let the sourdough sit for another hour, but I decided to go ahead and cook it now. It's been proofing in the fridge for 2 hours. It says, the recipe I'm using says minimum 1 hour, so I'm going to go ahead and just get it done now. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I do see some rise from when we put it in there. So we're going to go ahead and give it a cut and then put it in our Dutch oven and then get it started. Shelby is super excited, with her skateboard. So yeah. Alright, so here is the dough. I cut it. I don't have a lame because I'm lame. Haha. And so I just used a knife. It may not be deep enough here. I might go ahead and just cut it again. Make it a little bit deeper. This is my first time doing this. I have no clue what I'm doing, so that's what it is. Alright, so now we're going to go put it in the oven or the barbecue, and we will see how it turns out. Alright, the wind is really starting to kick up. I know you can probably hear the generator too, but it's really starting to kick up. I just took this this is like 1 minute after I just put that bread on, so like things are getting kind of crazy fast. Will this be the time that she falls? I don't know.
It'll probably be on like a beautiful day in the summer.
A quiet, still day.
In the summer.
It'll just, oh my God, look at it go though. Holy cow. Woo.
See, somehow hangs on.
Because the air's going through it at this point. Because of all the woodpecker holes.
Yeah, maybe.
You know, it's like a, you know, a needle. You know, like the head of a needle.
It should at least break in half.
Yeah, it should. Right now.
It's breaking, dropping there.
Not you. What are you doing? Oh, the birdie. The birdie. Okay, so this one right here is like hecka crazy right now. And there's another one actually right there that they're really going. I don't know if I can, there you go. It is super windy, which I'm sure you can hear.
Out here. Crazy out here, man. Well, I just got the fire going. Oh my God.
Holy shit.
Got barbecue. Eli's fine.
Eli's enjoying himself.
We got fire. Oh, there she
moly, I don't know where to look, man. Oh my God, look at it go. Man, maybe that top piece will come off.
It's pretty rigid.
It is, but the top is like has way more movement than the middle section. You know, the chair flew over.
It's down the hill.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. It flew down.
Oh.
I got cover for my generator.
I better hold it a little tighter, huh? Don't blow away.
It's supposed to get better starting tomorrow.
Yeah, they say that.
All right, so here's the finished sourdough. So it's I could have turned the temperature down a little bit after I took the cover off, but other than that, I'm pretty happy. Like, there's some nice bubblage going on right there. I'm pretty darn happy about. So yeah, I mean, I haven't tried it yet, but I'm thinking that it did what it was supposed to do. So I'm excited. And then here's our bird. The bird's a word. So it's all done. There we go.